Today, we are going to introduce the MT203 CAN Driver gateway simulator. This is a 120 ohms resistor switch. Note, if the ECU does not have a built-in 120 ohm resistor, it needs to be turned on. And here are 4 cables: power cable, GND cable, CAN low and CAN high. Plug in the 12 volts power supply. Connect the OBD female connector to the diagnostic connector. Support gateway simulation and CAN driver. Select CAN gateway. Check the note of caution. First, operate auto scan. Note, auto scan only supports standard CAN and tolerant CAN. Let's start by operating the standard CAN. Now it recognizes that the baud rate of the BYD E6 compressor is 250 K. Press enter button to start the simulation. Now, let's check out the scanner. It can access the system normally. The simulation is successful. Note, if the simulation is successful, the 3 points will rotate in a loop, and if they stop, the simulation fails. Now operate manual setting. Manual setting supports standard CAN, tolerant CAN, and CAN FD. We will choose standard CAN to give a demo first. Select custom baud rate and set it according to your needs. On the left is the baud rate of the diagnostic scanner. On the right is the baud rate of the ECU. Enter the correct baud rate and press enter button. Access to the diagnostic system normally. Successful simulation. Then operate tolerant CAN. Connect the module first. Select auto scan. Select tolerant CAN scan. Recognized successfully. Its baud rate is 100 K. Let's use the diagnostic scanner to read the fault card. Tolerant CAN simulation successful. Diagnostics can be performed normally. Let's try manual setting. There are some common baud rates in the device by default. Select the correct baud rate. Read fault card with the scanner. Successful access to the system, indicating normal simulation. Next is a demonstration of CAN FD. Note, the CAN FD protocol does not support automatic scanning. Select manual setting. This has been pre-tested and the baud rate is 2 megabits. Select the correct baud rate 500 K, 2M. Read fault card with the diagnostic scanner. It is also possible to diagnose normally. The simulation is successful. Now do the custom baud rate. Enter the correct baud rate and press enter button. Read the fault card with the diagnostic scanner. The simulation is successful. Now we will demo the CAN driver function. Check out the menu. We support many types of drive tests. We will give a demo for the dashboard drive today. We need to open the OBDSTAR app to get the wiring diagram for the module. After the wiring harness is successfully connected, press enter button. The dashboard lights up. Press exit button. The dashboard enters sleep mode. The dashboard drive test successful.